Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
She rubs baking soda on her feet 2 times per week. The result is stunning. Baking soda is one of the most versatile and multi-purpose ingredients. This affordable ingredient can be used for a wide range of things. You should definitely get this ingredient as you don't have it yet in your kitchen cabinet. We decided to show you some of the most prominent uses and benefits of baking soda. Benefits and uses of baking soda. Relaxes the feet. Baking soda can relax and clean your feet. All you have to do is prepare a mixture of some water and 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Soak your feet in the solution and massage them gently. Then, wash it off and pat dry. Finally, apply a moisturizer. Repeat the procedure twice a week. Alleviates bee stings. Baking soda can soothe wasp and bee stings. It is packed with the alkaline properties which fight off the formic acid present in the wound. Simply apply a mixture of baking soda and water onto the affected area. Prevents sweating. Prepare a mixture of water and baking soda and apply it to your armpits. This will maintain the dryness of the armpits and prevent unwanted odors and perspiration. Soothes burns. If you have sunburns, add 1/2 cup of baking soda in a bath of lukewarm water and soak in it. Alleviates heartburn and stomach issues. Baking soda can treat a heartburn. Simply mix 1 glass of cold water with 2 teaspoons of baking soda and drink it. Improves the hair quality. You can improve your hair quality and make your hair shinier and smoother. Moreover, you can soak your brushes and combs into a mixture of baking soda and water. This will degrease your hair when you comb it. Afterward, rinse off the hair.